Come test drive the 2017 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, roof rails, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.